Hey everyone, and welcome to the Pink Lady Ranger channel. Today I will be unboxing a Lenny Lamb carrier designed by Mommy Monroe. You can find them on Facebook. This is called Warrior. And my spouse is right here to open it up. Okay. Ooh. Okay. And if you never had a Lenny Lamb before, these buckles you just unbuckle, and I like to put them over here and buckle them up because I like to back carry. This is a toddler Lenny Lamb. This is the inside. Get this all nice. And that is Warrior, inspired by Wonder Woman, of course.